Vlogmas 2023 and I'm super excited. Bumsy is doing Vlogmas 2023. You guys know that I couldn't do it last year. I was very heavy. In fact, I had just even put to bed and I was nursing my newborn and nursing myself as well. But I'm super excited to be doing Vlogmas this year. So this just tells you guys that there is going to be video on my channel every day down till the 25th. But you know how Bumsy does it. On the 25th, 26th, I might decide to keep dishing out videos to you. And I've started it. I hope and I pray that I will be so consistent doing this. But welcome to Vlogmas 2023. If you're excited, let me know in the comment section. Drop it down in the comment section and just let me know if you're excited. But anyways, we're starting off this video and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make healthy zobo without sugar. It is very nutritious, it is very healthy. You know, even if you have diabetics or anything, you can actually take this particular zobo, and it is very good to actually eliminate sugar from a lot of things that you are cooking or taking these days. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make zobo without sugar that is going to come out very tasty. But I'm just super excited because you guys know that it is kitchen parole. So yeah, let's head straight into the kitchen and we're going to start. I'm going to be taking you guys step by step process of, you know, the ingredients and everything. I'm going to be writing it on the screen. Hibiscus leaf, pineapple, apple, ginger, just name it, to make this delicious and tasty zobo. So let's head on straight to the kitchen. Let's go.
Here are the ingredients we're going to be using: the hibiscus leaf, ginger, cinnamon, garlic, cucumber, apples, pineapple, watermelon. So in here we're just washing the watermelon thoroughly, though we're not going to be using the back here. So we're going to be cutting it open, yes, because we're going to be taking away the edible parts out of it and then to juice it. So yeah, this is us just slicing away the edible parts. Yeah, I'm sure you'll be worried, oh Mumsy, you're taking it away with the seed. It doesn't matter. The seed is also very nutritious and healthy as well. So yeah, we cut and head straight into, you know, juicing it together with our pineapple. But this is us just slicing away the watermelon. And if you can see the way we are slicing the watermelon, we are not leaving any stone unturned. A lot of people would like to keep their I think the back with just a little bit of watermelon on the body, but no way, because every part of this watermelon is very nutritious. And I'm even aware that some people actually eat the back of this watermelon, but I have not tried it yet. I am yet to try it. Hopefully I try it one day, but not now. So yeah, we are done slicing the watermelon here and we're heading straight to washing the pineapple that we're also going to be using for this zobo drink. Yes, we're going to be using 2 pineapple, and these pineapples are Cotonou pineapples. They are a lot sweeter to use for zobo. You know, a lot of people will argue that they are not as sweet, they are slappy, but I also prefer them. Like, if you know how to, you know, sauce for this juicy and sweet one, then please go for Cotonou pineapple. But if not, please go for the other agric one and the native one. It is also very sweet as well. So yeah, we're just slicing the pineapple, and unlike the watermelon, we're going to be using the back of this pineapple, and that's why you see we separated it in a separate bowl and then just slicing it the way we slice the watermelon, because in this pineapple we're going to be using both the back and also inside of the pineapple as well, the edible part of the pineapple as well. The back is very nutritious for these hibiscus drinks. Yeah, and then we're also going to be using apple as well. Washing the apple same way, slicing it as well, because all the watermelon, the pineapple, the apple that you can see that we are slicing, we're also going to juice everything together to give that sweet flavored juice, fresh juice. So I told you guys that this is the healthiest zobo that you would ever drink. So this is garlic. We're also going to be using garlic as well. I showed you earlier on when I was showing you the ingredients, garlic and ginger. So we're going to be using garlic, ginger, and we're also going to be blending it everything as well. See, garlic, ginger, cloves, cinnamon are one of the healthy ingredients, like foodstuff ingredients out there, that even when cooking your food as well, it just gives a flavor. And I forgot to mention this to you guys. This is what the Hausa people call aya. It has such a sweet taste. In fact, it tastes like honey. I'm also going to be using it as well for this zobo today. See, I'm telling you that you don't need sugar at all. Like, all the flavors will just marinate together to give you such a tasty zobo. So yeah, this is cucumber as well. Washing the cucumber, we're going to be slicing the cucumber. Everything will be going into our juicer, and you can see we have started juicing and juicing. Yeah, you guys, this is what is going to give the zobo the taste that is going to come out so sweet, but healthy sweet. I mean, a natural sweet that you will not need sugar at all. You guys, look at this, so rich. And then we're taking it into the fridge to freeze it while we get ready to blend our ginger and our garlic together. Yeah. You may be wondering, Bumsy, you didn't take out the back of the ginger. No, it is very healthy. I mean, not just with zobo as well. Even if you're cooking, when you are cooking, you can use the back of your ginger as well. Ginger is such a healthy ingredient. I cannot even emphasize on it. It's such a healthy ingredient. You can see we blended it together with our aya, garlic, and then the ginger together. We're going to be using it for the zobo as well. You already know that. So this is what we call hibiscus leaf in Nigeria, and I'm sure you can find it outside the country as well. It is dried hibiscus leaf. It is very healthy, in fact very good for the immune system. I was reading somewhere when someone said, I think the mom had, low blood count and all, and she gave her like hibiscus drinks for like 2 weeks, and the mom became very fine. So you guys, this is the chaff of the blended watermelon, pineapple, and what they call it, watermelon and pineapple. So this is cloves we are adding in. We added the back of the pineapple, added the hibiscus leaf, added the ginger, added the garlic, and then put water, and we're going to be putting this on fire on low heat to boil properly, and set your timer for 15 minutes. This is the zobo boiling. Don't forget what was added in. We added ginger, garlic, aya. In fact, just watch this video and understand. And then the zobo is ready. It is so hot, but we have to sieve it clear, and then you turn in that your watermelon and pineapple that you set aside. Yes, you turn and turn and turn and turn and turn, and then you begin to turn it into smaller bottles. Keep turning it into smaller bottles until you have turned all the zobo into your smaller bottles, and there your zobo is ready for serving. But you take it inside the fridge and you make it cold before serving. Thanks for watching, guys.
Girls in my crib, zero Snapchat, zero Instagram, bro.